Morning you lot, and welcome to another episode of Something from the Shed. My job today, my task is just to get the door frame in and the two supporting pallets around the side of it. If I can do that, I'll be happy. That's my task today. I promised you guys I'd keep you up to date. Here it is. I'm sorry it's in black and white, but I've had too many keyboard warriors going on about what I can and can't use. That's why it's in black and white, so you can't tell the difference. Those who do know, please don't say anything. I really can't be the hassle. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to crack on. Not the straightest, but it'll do. I'm sure you can see that. So, just so you guys know, I'm not too sure whether you can see me there, but just so you guys know, these beams that I got were from an old stud wall that I found in one of those huge skips. I spotted it one day and I thought, right, if it's still there, I'll take the whole bunch. I think I took 4 walls. There was no plasterboard on it. You had all those little screws in that hold the plasterboard. It was just literally these beams, and I thought, right, now these. That's why I've got that little fence there as well. I made that out of them. And I'm also using it for the door frame, and hopefully if I've got any left I'll use it for the roof. These screws that you can see there, apart from the couple of brass ones that are already in there, those long ones there, these are all recycled from this, and that's what I'm all about. I'm all about recycling, reusing. Oh. So just a quick update guys while I can. I don't really want to do too much talking, I just want to crack on really. I've just come to drill some screws in through here and I've hit a knot. The knot is in the way, so I'm just going to pre-drill these holes just through the first piece here and then just push the screws through with the drill. That should be great. Ah! I've just snapped the drill bit. Son of a... Right, so new battery and quick rundown time. So far, I have put 2 half pallets up on the sides there to support the door frame. I've built the door frame. My actual door width is going to be 2 foot. The reason for that is I'm actually making my own door. There'll be a piece of MDF running down the middle and then the rest will be pallet pieces, so that when it closes, it'll actually camouflage in with the cladding and you won't be able to see where the door is. It'll just look like a wooden building. And then I'll come up with the key and I'll open the door and it'll all open kind of like a jigsaw type thing, and that's what the door will look like when it's finished. Right, just realised that that side there is quite thick to go into the pallet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a larger drill bit and I'm going to pre-drill through the first bit all the way through and then just screw straight on through the second bit. Right, so that's it guys. I've got the door frame in and the two supporting pallets either side, one either side. It looks really good, it's really strong, it's all made from reclaimed timber and pallets, and even the screws are reclaimed. It was all stud walling, like I said in the video. I spotted it in a skip. I took it and I thought, right, I'll bloody make use of that, and there it is. It's part of it's my door frame. I've got the other parts just behind me on the floor. They're going to be used for the roofing rafters, which are going to go right across the width of it, not the length. And then I'm going to lay the racks off the top of pallets down as roofing tiles would go. You know, one overlaps the other going downhill. And then I'm going to coat them with roofing felt. And then just to be doubly sure, just on the pallets in the background there, I've got some corrugated metal roofing. They're going to go on top as well. They're going to have its own individual frame around the outside and a supporting piece around the middle, so I don't puncture any holes into the roofing lining or anything like that. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll all be waterproof. Spring is here. Summer is literally just around the corner. The days are getting warmer now. All the snow has melted, so which gives me more time. Unfortunately, I'm out of time today. I've got to go and pick my little kiddies up from school now. But I want to say a massive thank you to my new subscribers, and a massive thank you to my subscribers already. Thank you for sticking around. I know I haven't published a video in a while, and I'm sorry this is in black and white, but I can't be doing with keyboard warriors. Take care, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next part of the workshop build.